Okay, it really is high tide now, and I'm going to try to get some more pictures of the waves in the ocean coming in. I just saw some tremendous ones. But this is whoa. This is the tide trying to come into the river with the flood waters trying to go out. And I got to tell you, since we've been here for the last hour, it has gotten a lot colder. And everybody's showing up to take pictures. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Sometimes the ocean wins. What can I say? It's probably the high tide that's finally making its way back into this. Look at these standing waves, big waves, coming into the river. Wow. Wow. You see people have come down here to look. Larry says, here comes another whole tree. Yep, down the river. Looking, here comes quite a bit more debris. As you can see, it's still kind of stormy here. People showing up to look at the river. Mostly because I think it's high tide. Wow! That, I think I just missed that one. Look at this wave in the river. Here comes some more waves into the river. Unbelievable. Powerful. Amazing. Tell you, it has gotten really cold. Oh my goodness.